Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable DAC for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. So if we open developer options and go to the Bluetooth audio codec, right here we can check supported. The speaker turned off. So yeah, of course your speaker should be connected with your phone. And then you will see that we have only two Bluetooth audio codecs, AC and SBC. To enable DAC, we need to use an application. You need to open SOUNDCORE app. Of course, your speaker should be connected with the application. Tap on it, and then go to the settings at the right top. At the first line, we have sound mode, and you need to tap at this sound mode. Then click at the preferred audio quality. Then we need to wait a bit. Here we go, the speaker reconnected, and right here we have LDAC. And if we return to the codecs, we have also LDAC here. Now, to disable it, you have two options. Or in the developer options, you can switch to AC or SBC, but AC is better. Or just in the application, return to the sound mode and select connection quality. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!